On 23rd November 2022, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, the Deputy Chief Minister, Prestone Tynsong, PHE Minister, Renikton L Tongkhar, and other government officials had visited Mukroh to offer their condolences to the bereaved families of the 5 individuals who lost their precious lives in the recent firing incident in the village on the 22nd of November. An ex-gratia of ₹5 lakhs each to the next of kin of the 5 deceased was also handed over to the families during the delegation's visit to Mukroh. After meeting with community members of Mukroh who expressed their concerns over the firing incident in the village and the problems they have been facing for many years as villagers along the Assam-Meghalaya border, Conrad Sangma assured all stakeholders present that the government will share the concerns with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and the ministry during the visit to Delhi this week.
All emotionally affected by seeing what has happened, and definitely there will be a reaction from some of the youths. That's something that we cannot deny, but we have to also realize that that is not always the only solution, and that is not always the only path that's there in front of us. And hence that we have to realize that ultimately, to be able to achieve the development, achieve the peace, and achieve the overall goals that we have, there are certain ways that we can do this. And today in the democratic process and the government, there are many ways, and therefore we should ensure that violence should not be the way forward to find solutions to this. We are all upset, we are all angry about what has happened, but we will ensure that justice is done, and we'll also ensure that in the long run, the entire issue of this border issue, which is at the crux of all this tension that is always building up here, should be resolved at the earliest. We are going to ask Government of India that a central agency should investigate in this. Either NIA or CBI should inquire and investigate in this. And Assam government has agreed that they will cooperate, and they will also ask Government of India that central agency should investigate. So that is the status as of now, but we will ensure that investigation moves swiftly.